You are now watching the Randy Famoso YouTube channel. Subscribe for more action.
All right, guys, so we're at Irwindale Speedway for FuelFest, and look at this. We have the whole lineup of the Fast and the Furious cars. DK's car. They go all the way down the line. Also behind this, these are pretty sick and very iconic. Lots of history. A lot of people influenced by these builds.
Empty driver, right?
Thank you. Here's Jason. Yeah, check this out. Shout out to Jason, NRG, Prisma. Let me show you guys the other cars, then we're gonna get to the driving. The driving's about to start in a few minutes, or actually might be starting now. I just wanted to get this introduction going, because I also had to get the cars on this side. I know a lot of people love these, and they're very important cars in the automotive world and in cinema. All right, let's go get in the car, do some practice runs. Today they're not gonna let me tandem because my cage is not complete for the A-pillar bar. So I'm gonna be doing ride-alongs and make some money back for the first time ever in drifting. So I'm at least excited for that, but I would have rather tandemed. I was walking back over to my car and I cannot believe these cars. They're like the cars of my dreams right here. The McLaren P1, the Huayra, the Koenigsegg's. These are the cars of my dreams right here. I wish I had the three cars I just mentioned. Another important piece of history, Tanner Faust Volkswagen. I believe it's a Passat, Rockstar Energy.
So this brings it down there. I think I did the stage, and then right here, another like wall ride against the wall. You okay with 4 cars behind you, right? And so
yeah, give your thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
But if you're not okay with the 4
do you
guys
have to
behind you, go down. Nice job, man.
Thank you, bro.
You sure it's a stack?
It is.
Dude, that was epic, bro. Holy shit.
Alright guys, so the event's all over. It was a great time. It was my first time on an oval. It was my first time at Irwindale, and it couldn't have went better. I really wanted a tandem, but my cage wasn't up to spec for that, and I didn't have the proper racing suit for that, so that's fine. I'm not worried. This is my first time ever having an event where I get paid per lap. So I love that, and that was thanks to Hot Pit Auto Fest. So big shout out to all of the guys involved, Adrian, RJ, Rob, and Jeff Jones. It was super dope. Anyway guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't terrible to watch. Something interesting, people were telling me that every time I'd pass by, the people would get hyped, and I would see it, and it made me feel so good. Like it's like certain courses like in Japan and stuff where, look at this guy.
Legend, how are you?
I'm doing great, man. How are you?
How was the day?
Oh, phenomenal. Yeah, we'll tandem soon, man. I didn't have the right equipment here.
Absolutely.
Soon though.
Yeah. Good night, guys.
You had a good time?
Yeah.
Me too, bro.
Yeah. I'm going really quick to the restaurant and go back to cook for everybody.
Perfect, bro. Okay. See you later. Yeah, so it was a great time. People were hyped up about it. That felt so good. It gives me a boost of like excitement, and I would drive even harder. I was like riding walls. I hope I get some footage from the outside to punctuate that. And then both of the David Barcenas are here. If you guys saw my last video at the Camaro, these guys were in there. Thanks for coming out to support, guys.
Sure.
And thanks Alex for helping me out, helping me pit with them, and all the support I could have needed.
Thanks for getting me in here.
Oh, of course, man. It's my pleasure, bro. You're a good friend.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good man, dude.
Likewise, man. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.